Tired of the same old look this Christmas. Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine. Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine.
Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of Blessedmas. Hi lovers, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in on day 1 and on day 2. Also too, if you have missed any of our premieres, please go back and watch them. Give us a thumbs up and leave us some comments down below. Don't forget to check out Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma. So y'all make sure now, if you want to go into the drawings, you gotta make sure that you are in the premieres and you are being active in the comment section, okay? Down in the chat, y'all. Well, today, you all, we are going to be decorating a lantern of some form. We are creating a minimalistic, festive lantern for the holidays. You can DIY a lantern. You can purchase one that's already made and add some embellishments to it or whatever you may want to do to make your lantern minimalistic. So mine is going to be very minimalistic, you guys. But I am going to do some little tricks to this little lantern. So I am using this black wrought iron lantern, and it has a candle holder in the middle here, but I think I'm going to enhance it a little bit. And I'm also going to add some embellishments on the side. And when I say embellishments, I mean I'm going to be adding a pool noodle, and I'm going to be adding some greenery and some ribbon as well, okay? So if you like this type of content, go ahead and keep on watching. And also, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel if you are new here. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all know we can't do this without you all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into day 3 of Blessedmas. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pre-cut pool noodle and I'm going to cut it just like this, just to give, well, voila, the whole thing broke. Of course, this was old pool noodle. All right, y'all, let's try this again. That wasn't supposed to happen. I just need one side open, y'all, not both sides. So evidently I had already used that one and it had already been cut, but that's okay. That's why I always bring a backup just in case. So the whole idea of it is to have an opening on one side, not both sides. As you can see, it's not gonna work. So I need the one opening because I need to be able to attach my pool noodle here, okay? And that's exactly what I want. As you can see, I have attached the pool noodle and I really want it to close, okay? Now, if you're dealing with this type of lantern and you want the pool noodle to go all the way down, then you'll utilize that length of a pool noodle. But you can do so much with this lantern and pool noodles. If you want to do it all the way around, you can do that. That is totally up to you. But I'm being a one-sided minimalistic girl today, okay? All right, you all, let's go to the next step. All right, you all, so what I want to start doing is I want to start with my greenery, okay? And all I'm doing is using my stems to poke inside the pool noodle. but you want to stay inside the pool noodle. Just like so. And so basically, I'm just going to go throughout my pool noodle and add my greenery or my florals, whatever color you want to use. And as you can see, mine keep poking through. So be careful in your insert, or let me tell you what else you can do. You can clip the end. I didn't bring my pliers, and that's what I need. But anyway, you can clip your ends so they're not so long and you don't have to worry about them peeking out. Okay? And then don't forget to fluff and spread your leaves. So I'm just gonna go through here. There we go. I'm just gonna go through here and add my greenery. These are rubber band together, so I gotta take them apart. Okay, sorry you guys, I got a phone call, so I had to answer that. And so what I'm doing is I'm still stuffing, but also too, I went back and cut my pool noodle down, and I'm adding florals from the bottom and the top. And then I've also added a piece of ribbon in here, and I'm going to run that throughout. But I'm taking out some of the ones that I have in here because I'm taking it from the bottom. And also too, you guys, I want to make them a little shorter as well too. I don't want them sticking out as big. I want the minimalist wild look, but I don't want it where it just look like too wild, if you know what I mean. So I'm using the limbs of the picks here to be able to add the ribbon throughout. So I'm just going for a minimalistic look, but this is a little bit time consuming, but I'm going ahead and I'm dovetailing my ends just to give it a more formal look. And I'm just taking the ribbon up onto the floors that I have inserted, and then I can tie it or either leave it, but I think I want to go ahead and spin it a little bit. But I don't have to tie it because why? it has the wire. That's why I like using wired ribbon. Y'all trust the process on this because I know it's probably looking a little cray-cray, but y'all trust the process. Y'all can kind of get the gist of the look I'm going for. And I didn't have my wire cutters down here either, downstairs either. So I had to go upstairs and get them. So I wasn't completely prepared for this video, but hey, I'm gonna do the darn thing. How about that? And so I have different pieces of greenery here. And I'm sure I won't be able to cover all of the white, but I'm going to try my best to. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you missed the other two ladies' videos, please show them some love by going back and watching their videos. All right, you guys, I'm going to continue to clip and stuff the florals into this pool noodle, and then I will be back so you guys can see the final reveal that I have here with my minimalistic lantern for the holidays. Okay, all right, love bugs, we have made it to the reveal. I think this turned out really nice, you guys. So I'm going to turn it right here and show you guys what I did as far as the candle holder. As you can see, this is a permanent candle holder right here. So if you want to put a candle inside, you could. But what I decided to do is to use this smaller scale of a candle holder. And then I chose this twisted black candle stick, and I just want to put it down in there, and that's how it looks. And then I just added different types of greenery all the way throughout. And I also added this black and white pattern ribbon, and I just added it throughout with the baby's breast as well too. And then I added the bow here on top, and I used a pool noodle for my base. So this is a glueless DIY, you guys. It was minimalistic. I just used the pool noodle, and I put all of the greenery, all of the picks into the pool noodle, and that was it. And I hand did this bow and just tied the bow onto the branch on here, and that's how I have these pieces of ribbon throughout. I think it turned out really nice. It's very minimalistic. It can look really nice in someone's home. I am going to use it for this Christmas season, but when I gather things to go to the Salvation Army or the Goodwill, then things that I DIY, I do turn those in. You know, I think about people who, you know, have gotten a home that cannot afford to go to Home Goods or Kirkland's or Pottery Barn or RH, those places like that. They can just go to the Goodwill and see these nice pieces here and put them in their home for a low price. But it turned out really nice. I thank you all so much for tuning in and trusting the process here. It is a little time consuming depending on how full you want it to be. And of course, y'all know I always like it to be full. So it is absolutely full. It's gorgeous. It ties in with my Christmas decor for this Christmas season 2025. But this is my minimalistic lantern. Please don't forget to go over and check out Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Again, thank you all so much for trusting the process, for being patient and tuning in on today. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me some sweet loving and kind comments down below. And we will see you all in day 4, which is tomorrow. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
My name is Lisa, subscribe and come take this holiday journey with me. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.